Lights, camera, action.
Happy Independence Day!
Take 2. Ay, hindi pala na-record. Okay, again. Take 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Happy Independence Day!
Yun. Sunod na, Chris. Sunod ka na. Salubungin mo ako dito sa kanan. Sunod na, Mars. Sunod ka. Ano? Anya. Kanan nga eh. Sige. Pasaway tong si Norma eh. Okay ka lang?
Take 1.
Hello guys, good day, and today is our Independence Day. It's June 12th, since 1898. We are commemorating the day of our freedom from the Spanish colonies.
Take 2.
Hello guys, today is our Independence Day. It's our
Take 3.
as we commemorate our Independence Day.
LOL! GoPro, stop recording.
As we commemorate our Independence Day from the Spanish colonization, today we are having a fun ride cycling, and it's a tribute to our beloved Rene Iqbal. So enjoy guys, and happy Independence Day everyone. Pilipinas! Dapat Pilipinas nandito kayo. Pilipinas!
Got talent! GoPro, stop recording.
Take 4.
Bahagi ng ating celebration sa ating kasarinlan, meron po tayong fun ride cycling, and it's a tribute to our late beloved Consul Rene Iqbal. Ang ingay!
Nakasigaw pa eh. GoPro, stop recording.
Ito ay bahagi ng ating pagdiriwang normal!
GoPro, stop recording.
Today guys is our celebration of Independence Day. Ang pagdiriwang ng ating kasarinlan. Mabuhay!
GoPro, stop recording.
So, pagod na ako. Okay guys, bahagi ng ating pagdiriwang, meron tayong fun cycling ride. At kasama sa ating pagdiriwang ay
Buhay Pilipinas!
Tutukin natin yung mga sponsor natin.
Oh, hindi pantay. Dito ka.
Ang sponsor. Ayan. Thank you, Asian Foods Sula.
May game.
Thank you, Asian Foods Sula.
Thank you po sa aming mga sponsor sa Asian Food Sula, sa Promelings, tapos of course sa PBIR at saka sa ating family and friends and families at ang lahat ng members ng PBIR. Thank you very much.
Thank you guys.
Dito, si Banjo.
Si Kuya Banjo.
Halika muna, Banjo. Tapit mo. For exclusive, not exclusive. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Sapa.
Ay, gusto ko yan.
Thank you very much.